Hi, welcome to my Excel Amazing Formula video series. In this episode, I demonstrate two amazing formula. First formula is searching right to left, reverse searching algorithms, and second formula searching any character position by starting an number. Okay, let's get started. Type traditional regular find formula. Find text G1, comma, A2, start number G2, close parenthesis, press enter, is 3, 1, 2, 3. Change 2, the number is not changed, number is same. Okay, to get second position on this value to this string, type a nested find function. Type find again, find G1, comma, A2, close parenthesis, plus 1, and press enter. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back to 1. The value is same, not changed, not dynamic. Delete this. I find two formula on the web for this case. First example, find to EAF-1 reverse find search and need function. Aggregate row index middle row method, copy from this worksheet, paste to, press enter, is 3, type 2, 6, type 3, 15. Is okay. This formula good, the formula is dynamic. I write my version for this example. My version is type find text, type is wrapped function, text s, comma, len, a2, close parenthesis, comma, within text substitute text a2, old text s, new text, copy a wrapped argument, paste instance number G2, close parenthesis, press enter, is 3, type 2, 6, type 3. Okay, work, good. This formula, this both formula dynamic, and this formula I can recognize upper and lower case. My version is very shortly from this method. I demonstrate second formula from searching right to left. Okay, go to second solution to computergaga.com, how to create a reverse find formula. Copy computergaga solution, jump to Excel, paste, and find text, replace with cell, press enter, is B. Okay, type any character, is dynamic, value from this as a result is not dynamic. Back to computergaga, replace the last character with a unique marker. The problem is formula. Star if exist to string, this formula not work properly. I type any character will not appear this string, type backslash, press enter, is S33, is good result. Type any character did appear in this string, type star, the formula not work, is formula give a different result. This formula is not good, deleting this. I modify this method to work for this case. Okay, copy from here, paste to, changing to 15 to 14, adding a line and -1. Very small modification, press enter, press any value, any character. This formula not require unique marker, type 2, type S, good, formula is dynamic. The my method, copy from here, paste, press enter, type 2, type BJS, formula recognize upper and lowercase. My formula, better version from aggregate and aggregate this. Why? Back to solution, the sum find rept is press F9 is 37111. My version work with multiple cell, work with arrange. This method change to A7, type sum product, close parenthesis, press F9 is error. Why? Row indirect function work with single cell, not work with multiple cell, not work with range. Okay, press escape. For this better understand how to work, I make 2 examples. First example is type space GADC, type second SDF version better from find the first name and last name, middle name dynamically. Example 2. I scroll up, extract file name from folder path. Okay. My formula, type 2, video, type 3, change it to subfolder dynamically. Okay, I hope to really enjoy this video. I am PedjaNBGD and see you next Excel Amazing Formula episode. Bye.